Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Thank you for being here. Your presence is greatly appreciated. Let's start without delay. Imagine you are a group of aspiring researchers and developers who have discovered a promising new drug. Your ultimate goal is to bring this innovative drug to the market, but you understand that there are certain steps you need to follow to ensure its safety, efficacy, and regulatory approval. Let's embark on the journey together and explore the pathways you would undertake. Pathway 1. Investigational New Drug (IND) application. In the beginning of your journey, before conducting any clinical trials, you must submit an investigational new drug (IND) application. This application is the first official step that seeks permission from regulatory authorities to conduct trials of the new drug in humans. It's like presenting a detailed plan to the authorities, explaining the drug's preclinical data, its potential benefits, and outlining your strategy to evaluate its safety and efficacy in clinical trials. Once the authorities review your IND application and provide their approval, you are given the green light to proceed with the clinical trials. Pathway 2. New Drug Application (NDA). After successfully completing the clinical trials and gathering substantial data, you are ready to take the next leap in your journey by submitting the New Drug Application (NDA). The NDA is a comprehensive report that showcases all the evidence and information you have collected throughout the trials. It includes not only the preclinical and clinical data but also detailed data on the drug's chemistry, manufacturing process, quality control, labeling, and more. One important aspect of the NDA is the CMC section, which stands for Chemistry, Manufacturing, and Controls. This section provides detailed information about the drug's chemical composition, its manufacturing process, and the quality control measures in place. Furthermore, the NDA's CMC section outlines the specifications and analytical methods used to assess the drug's quality, purity, and strength. It also includes stability data to demonstrate the drug's shelf life and how it performs under various storage conditions. All these details are crucial for the regulatory authorities to evaluate the drug's safety, efficacy, and quality. The regulators meticulously examine the NDA submission, including the CMC section, to ensure that the drug meets the required standards. If the authorities are satisfied with the data and believe that your drug meets the necessary safety, efficacy, and quality criteria, they grant approval for its marketing and commercial distribution. Pathway 3. Abbreviated New Drug Application (ANDA). Now, let's switch gears to a different scenario. Suppose you have identified an already approved brand name drug that has patent or exclusivity rights, and you want to develop a generic version of that drug. In this case, you would follow the pathway of an abbreviated New Drug Application (ANDA) submission. The purpose of an ANDA is to seek approval for your generic drug by demonstrating its bioequivalence to the brand name drug. You would conduct studies and provide evidence to show that your generic drug performs in the same way as the original drug in terms of safety, efficacy, and quality. If the regulatory authorities determine that your generic drug meets these requirements, they grant approval, allowing it to be marketed and sold as a substitute for the brand name drug once the patent or exclusivity rights have expired. By following these different pathways, IND, NDA, and ANDA, you can navigate the complex world of drug development and regulation. Each pathway has its own purpose, submission requirements, and desired outcomes, all with the ultimate goal of ensuring the availability of safe and effective drugs for the benefit of patients worldwide. By following these different pathways, IND, NDA, and ANDA, you can navigate the complex world of drug development and regulation. Each pathway has its own purpose, submission requirements, and desired outcomes, all with the ultimate goal of ensuring the availability of safe and effective drugs for the benefit of patients worldwide. Thank you for watching. Your support means a lot. Stay tuned for more content.